Today I teach how to make this lamp inspired by Nicole Rogers after going to our local balloon jam. It was a lot of fun. And I also will talk about Patreon today. I am Juan Gonzalez, also known as John London with JLo Magic Balloon Videos. Let's get started. Welcome back, everybody. Good to see your smiling faces. Hope you are having a great week so far. I'm a little delayed on putting out a video this week. It's just been busy. As soon as the weather warms up, I think we all know this, that everybody wants to get out and do stuff and start hiring us, and then it becomes a little bit tougher to make a video. So before I move forward with the video instruction as far as the lamp goes, let's talk about Patreon for a second, because starting the end of this month, okay, we're in May right now, so at the end of this month, I'm going to move a majority of my material over to Patreon, okay, just so you know. And so that means that, I was posting 3 or 4 times, a couple of weeks, and so maybe one of those will stay here, and the others will go over to our Patreon members. So in case you're wondering what Patreon is, it's just a way for people to support the artists. And so what happens is you go over there, you sign up, and you decide how much you want to pledge to support the artist, and that's one way that I get support for this channel, so I can keep making videos and hopefully also up the production and bring you more material that way. So anyway, that's where this is headed, just so you know. And I will leave a description and a link below, that way you know how to get there and get signed up. And I'll probably also go and search for a video that Patreon has put out that kind of explains it more in depth, in case you're wondering, how do you get connected with that and how do you do that. And so does that mean that this channel is going to go away? Absolutely not. We'll still have some fun. I just want to let you know this is what I'm headed toward, and that what I'm looking to do. And so if you want to support me, again, I'm going to leave a description and the link below. So that's the end of May, okay, the end of this month. I'm going to go ahead and do that. For my Patreon members, thank you for all your support. I really appreciate it. And for all the people that subscribe to this YouTube channel, I really appreciate you as well. So with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get to twisting. Let's talk about the balloons we're going to use. Okay, so you might have noticed that I had some blue swirly thing coming out of the top here of the lamp. That's supposed to simulate the bottom of that Genie that I put out last week. So as soon as this video is over, you'll probably see a link to that. Go watch the Genie. But if you just watch it on my channel and you want to just do it in the whichever order you want, maybe you go see the Genie and then do the lamp, no big deal. But I'm going to keep the lamp nice and simple to do, okay? I ended up using 2 balloons just because I wanted this bottom piece right here just to cover up, what you could see down here as far as the balloon going across there. So let's go ahead and talk about how much. You can see one has a little bit of tail on it, and here I did yellow, here I'm going to do gold, okay? And you see I got about, that looks about a hand's grip there. See, maybe a little less, okay? And then this one is left over. I only went like about halfway, and that was so I can finish up with this piece going along the bottom there, okay? So let's go ahead and get ready to twist. Let's bring that sound down. The first chrome we're going to use is the one that has a shorter tail on it, okay? So between the two that you inflated, the one with the shorter tail, it's going to get most of the work done with it, okay? And so I started with the loop about 4 to 5 fingers wide, and I'm going to go ahead and do a segment about 5 fingers, maybe 6 there, depends, okay? And go ahead and twist that, and I'm going to go ahead and pull that balloon through there just to lock it in place. Okay, make sure it goes through there all the way. And now we're going to go for the bottom of the lamp. There we go. And so we do about a 3-finger segment followed by 3 loop twists. So that's 3 fingers, 3 loop twists, and make those loop twists about 3 fingers wide, or excuse me, 2 fingers wide, just so you know. Okay, and that way we got plenty of room when we're working with this balloon. And so we're going to go for another 3-finger segment. So you see I went 3-finger and then the 2-finger bubbles, and then another 3. And then all I'm going to do now is, by that time most of your air has been pushed out of the balloon, just go up to where you created that segment and pull it across there. There we go. And so we end up with the spout for our lamp. And then the last thing I'm going to do now, just to really fill that portion out, is we're going to go ahead and take our other gold chrome and we're going to pull it right across. Those 2 segments that we've done across, we're just going to go right below those, and we'll be good to go. and that'll help. It was tempting to want to add a pinch twist where the spout starts, but I found it unnecessary. Seems to hold just fine with the other balloons there. Okay, and again, the less you can do, or when you don't have to do pinch twists, it is definitely good for your balloon work as far as the stress on the balloon goes. But anyway, we're at the very end here. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab for that green swirly thing that I had made. If you watch the Genie balloon video, you'll know exactly, that the Genie's supposed to go right in the top right there. I know normally in the movie he comes out of the little spout, but I guess it wouldn't hurt for him to come out of the top there. So that's all it is. See, I just opened that up and I took it out of the yellow one and we put it in the gold. All set. Thanks for watching. All right, so we made it. Thanks for sticking around. Thank you for not leaving because I had to make that Patreon spiel. I just had to make sure that you guys kind of know what's going on with the channel and how I plan on moving forward. And as you can tell, the lamp was not very hard to do. See, just like that, and no drawing on it, which is really nice. And I even broke out the cold chromes for you. I've been reluctant to do so when I'm doing tutorials. And it's kind of funny is I don't always break them out for everybody at events, just because I know, and anybody who's played around with the chromes, is that as soon as you do, that's all they will ask for. Forget having any other types of balloons in your kit. They're only going to want the chrome balloons. I must have made 1 million swords and 1 million bows and arrows this weekend, all chrome, gold and silver, non-stop, back to back. Just give me this, give me that, give me this, give me that. And like I said, swords and bow and arrows. But anyway, last but not least, before I leave, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you haven't done so, go ahead and give a thumbs up. Don't forget to smash that bell notification. That way you know when a new video comes up, so we can continue with this balloon fun time. That's right. So, and a quick note for my Patreon members, look out for another video coming up. Hopefully I can get it done this week, and we'll have ourselves a good time. So I'll catch you guys next time. Go out there and have some fun with your balloons. Happy twisting, everybody. Bye.